Alright, so we're going to start by multiplying the top and the bottom by the conjugate. So 3 minus 4i, the conjugate is going to be 3 plus 4i. And when we're multiplying the top, we have to do the whole entire FOIL. So 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. Our last terms are going to give us a positive 32i. Inside terms, going to give us a 21i, and our last term is going to give us 28i squared. Alright, on the bottom we can just do first and last, so 3 times 3 is going to give us 9, and negative 4 and positive 4 is going to give us a negative 16i squared. Alright, so we can go back in and to the top and deal with this I squared that shouldn't be here. So we're going to turn that I squared into negative 1. So I'm just going to rewrite 24 plus 32i plus 21i, and we're going to turn that into negative 28. And to clean up the bottom, we need to get rid of that I squared by turning that into negative 1. So that turns into 9 plus 16, which is 25. Alright, so now we can combine like terms of 24 and negative 28, which are going to combine to give us negative 4. And my imaginary numbers of 32 and 21 are going to combine to give me 53 i's. And 25 on the bottom. Alright, we're going to start this problem off by multiplying the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So the conjugate of 2 minus 9i is going to be 2 plus 9i. Alright, so on the top we're going to have to do the whole entire FOIL. So 4 times 2 is 8. My outside terms are going to give me a 36i. Inside terms are going to give me 8i. My last terms, 9 times 4, is going to give me 36i squared. Alright, so on the bottom, because they're conjugates, I only have to do first and last. So 2 times 2 is 4. And that's going to give me a negative 81i squared. Alright, so now let's go back through and deal with our I squares. So on top, I'm going to change this positive 36i squared into minus 36. And I'll rewrite to show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, so I'm going to find the like term, which is 8. So negative 36 plus 8. It's going to give me negative 28, and then I'm going to combine my 36i and 8i to give me 44 i's on top. And then on bottom, I need to get rid of this 81i squared by calling it positive 81. So 4 plus 81 is going to give me 85. And then I would look to see if my 3 whole numbers could be divided by anything, and it can't be unless I split it up and do it that way. But this will be an acceptable answer unless you split it up.